Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Ps5 and Black Ops 6 are fully updated. This fixes many split-screen bugs at their root. Next, you sign into both local profiles and verify controller mapping so each player is recognized. Once done, temporarily disable background downloads and share play to free system resources and avoid session conflicts. This stabilizes split-screen initialization. Make sure the game isn't paused while you apply these changes, so the engine can reassign screens correctly. Now you move into game settings and adjust display mode. Choose performance if you see frame drops or resolution for clarity. Either choice can affect split-screen rendering differently. You then open the lobby and explicitly select Local Coupe Split Screen. Confirming that both players are marked active forces the engine to allocate two viewports. If you notice clipping or black bars, turn HDR off and restart the match. This often resolves color space conflicts that produce a black divider between screens. Finish by restarting the game and the Ps5 so all settings take effect. This flushes cached display data that can cause persistent black splits. If the issue continues, rebuild the Ps5 database from safe mode to repair corrupted game files and system indexes. It's a reliable, deeper fix. Make sure to test with another HDMI cable or TV port to rule out hardware. If nothing works, reinstall Black Ops 6 as a last resort and re-download saves from cloud storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.